On Friday, more than 6 months after that deadly encounter on the Strip, Brandon Leith finally had his initial arraignment before a judge, no longer on a mental health hold. But one man who talked to Fox 5 said that he was assaulted by Leith as well. He will never see justice, passing away earlier this month. February 2021. Thomas Driscoll, a retired Connecticut State Police trooper on vacation in Vegas, was walking with the woman on the Strip. On the pedestrian bridge near Bally's, police say Brandon Leith crossed his path, punching him once, killing him.
I saw the surveillance video, how he killed Tom. It was just so traumatizing to see a man I love die so brutally.
Annie Chong lived with Driscoll for 10 years and says he helped raise her sons.
Our life will never be the same.
She wants justice and hopes others who were terrorized by Leith will come forward to help prosecutors bolster their case.
This is not a one-time action on his part. He had history in terrorizing people.
This man, who doesn't want to be identified, just saw Leith in court.
The way he was staring at me, I was more scared than anything. I was shaking.
This is every time I came in contact with Metro about Brandon Leith.
He's an employee of a downtown apartment complex and has an entire file on Leith, at least 8 encounters in 2 months.
More than that, actually. Sometimes cops didn't come.
We were all on edge. We all were scared. I wouldn't even do my job. I couldn't.
He says one time Leith chased him with a screwdriver. That employee told apartment management he'd quit if they didn't add security cameras. They spent $6,000 putting them in. This is video of Leith in their office. They say rambling incoherently.
The owners spoke to an international team, like people with money that had to do with me.
He knocked me out. So now I have to go see a doctor about my possible concussion.
That apartment employee spoke to Fox 5 back in March after the tourist was killed to share his violent encounter with Leith. His coworkers say he was prepared to testify, but passed away this month. He told them he had COVID, but they say he couldn't work full-time after he was punched and think the lasting effects were a contributing factor in his decline.
After the assault, he wasn't the same.
And Leith is scheduled to be back in court next week for a status check in his case and possibly to set a trial date. Live tonight at the Update Desk, Kim Passoff, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.